Hi trader, and welcome to my channel OT Josh, and in this video I'll be taking trades based on volume and price analysis on 1 minute time frame. This time I'll be using the good pair to trade, the good assets to trade. So let's see what we have here, and then we'll take some trades. So let's see what's going on here. We have a ranging market, and this ranging market is trying to go to an uptrending market. So let's see what's happening. So you can see selling pressure coming in from this candlestick. Okay, we're seeing buying pressure coming in now. Okay, it seems the market will stop going up from here because of the volume. Okay, the market may still go up. We see a high volume here. The market wants to keep on going up. Let me see if I should be doing this. I'll have to wait. The market comes back down. Okay, fine. I had a good entry point. I had to be sure that sellers won't come in because of this week, because most of the times sellers will come in at the late. Okay, exactly what I'm saying. But in this case, I think buyers will still have to take the market up because of this strong bullish momentum candle, and maybe after this candle the market will fall back down. So let's wait. Okay, yeah, I think now the market will come back down just to, okay, we got a gap up, so I think the market will come back down. Yeah, we had two shaving heads candle. Okay, I did a put there, and I'm seeing a round number of 500. You can see it here. So after this we'll go for our last trade and then I'm going to give an explanation of why I took these trades, and hopefully you can learn something from it. And as we go on, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and help this channel grow. And if you have a comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and also do a like if you like this video to support the channel. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, I think the market will continue going downward. I get a good rejection. There are lots of gaps in this market. Okay, oh, that was late. I thought the rejection would be too small. Okay, I'll do a double entry here. That was the point I wanted to take. But overall, the market might still come back down to this previous resistance to confirm it as a new support. The market may come back down just to confirm this previous resistance as a new support before going up or breaking back downward. So let's wait and see. We have some few seconds left. Okay, all right, so that's it. So let's see, the market will have to come back down. I believe this candle is going to close as a red candle, not a green candle. It will come back down, and then some price action is going to confirm if this is a support. If it's confirmed, if the price action is confirming a new support level here, and we see a high volume with that new price action, then we can go with the put. That's how we do our trade using levels. Okay, you see the price action is confirming this as a support and is coming up with a high volume, and this is a hammer candles type of a hammer candle. You see, it's a hammer candle, but right now the hammer candle is going too high, so I think let's see, I'll still do call here, though this is a shooting star candlestick, but in this case it will be a call, not a put, because of this high volume and this support, this newly formed support level. So I'll be taking 4 trades, not what I'm used to doing, but for the fact that I needed to make this clear, I had to take this first trade. So after this trade, we'll do a recap up on the previous 3 trades we've taken, and then we'll call it a day. So let's see how it's going to end. Like I've said earlier on, please leave your comments, subscribe to the channel to help this channel grow, and then if you like this video, just leave a like. It costs you nothing to do this, okay? And at the last seconds, I believe very positive that the market will close in the morning. Okay, so let's go back to our trades. In this trade, we see this market was in a downtrend, you see, and now it got into a ranging market. And in this ranging market, we saw so many distribution phase. We saw it from here. We can see these are the market distributing to the insiders distribution. You see distribution, and this was the last distribution. After this distribution, the market could not go back down. It went strongly upward. When it went strongly upward, I saw the volume was confirming it. Let me show once again. See how the volume confirmed that this is a good breakout from this distribution. You see immediately this candlestick happened here. You see the volume increased, although this volume was small. Do you see the breakout candle came with an increased volume, but although it was an increased volume, but it was not convincing enough. So I thought the sellers would come in. But looking at the next level was at this place, the round number. And what is typical of market is that the sellers, the insiders, will always sell at a resistance. They don't like to sell in the middle of a trend. They will always sell at a resistance. So I took that opportunity to trade a call option so that the market will get up to this resistance, and from there the sellers will come in. So that was the first trade, and like I said, the second trade happened, the market went back up there. When the market went back up here, because I got this signal here, I saw this signal of sellers coming in. I saw this signal, this breakout candlestick, not breaking with a very huge volume. It's supposed to break with a huge volume to confirm much that the buyers are inside. I knew that, okay, since this candlestick is not breaking out huge with a huge volume, that means there are some sellers around this area. Now this candlestick is now bigger than this candlestick. It's now smaller than this candlestick, which is an anomaly. In an uptrend, this candlestick is supposed to go bigger than this candlestick, but what we see here is this candlestick is smaller than this candlestick. What is happening here with this small candlestick? It has even a higher volume. You see the volume is even higher than the previous volume. What is really happening here is that in this case, the buyers who bought here and have seen that this trend is not strong, what they are doing now is that they are taking profits. They are closing out their trades at this point, and the other buyers, just like myself, who still believe the market is going to go up, we are buying at the same time. So in one hand, some buyers are buying. On the other hand, some buyers are taking profit, and that process of buying and taking profits will lead to an increase in trading activities. This is where you get this high volume. This is why this volume is high. So if there is an increase in trading activities whereby buyers are taking profits and some other uninformed buyers are buying, just like myself, what is going to happen is that the insiders will see this as an opportunity to do what? To sell. They will join those who have seen this early signal as a sign of weakness in the uptrend. They will join them to sell. And looking at this key level, we have a round number here, which is a good place to sell. And so when I got this rejection, I sold with them. That was why I got this trade in the morning. And then the third trade, okay, I missed the entry point for the third trade. The reason I did this put is a very simple reason, knowing that the insiders who and the insiders are those who control the markets, not me or any other or retail traders. The insiders have the power. Knowing that the insiders sold here, if they sell here, the pressure from their selling tends to last much longer. So since they sold here, the selling is going to continue down. It's going to continue down, like you can see. So I took this trade because the selling is going to continue down. So I took this trade, and yes, the market went back down. Although at first I missed the entry point, but I later did double trade to cover up the loss. Last trade. Now what's happening here is that since the market is going down, what is happening here, the psychology happening here is very simple. The market is going down, but remember that we had an initial uptrend. Here. Now the market is going to reverse, and this reversal is being carried out by the insiders. Now when they come to some significant levels, such as this previous resistance level, they will always want to see if there are some remaining buyers in the market, because if there are buyers in the market, then they will have to close their position for more buyers to come in so that they can sell at a higher point. But in this case, I saw that they were preparing to allow buyers to come in, and so I took the trade to join the buyers that will be coming in at this previous resistance that has now turned into a support. But now they saw as you can see, I took the trade here, and the buyers came in 2 candles. But when the buyers came in, what did we see? Let me get it. When the buyers came in, we saw that the volume was rising, but the price was not moving with the volume. If you look at these 2 candles carefully, you see this candle and this candle, they are kind of equal, but you see the volume is rising. You see these 2 volumes, they are rising. This is 280, this is 321. So the volume is not equal, which is showing that there is an anomaly with the buyers. So since the buyers are not buyers are not in unison in this part of the market, the insiders will therefore take the market to the downward level. That's why you see the markets coming down. Again, buyers came into the market here, and it seems they are in unison, so the market might be going up. Why? Because you can see this candlestick is big. It came with a high volume compared to this candle, which is small, coming with a low volume. So you see, that's why you see this market going up here. But I think the market will go in a long-term downtrend, because these buyers came in at this point with a huge candlestick. But compare these buyers to these buyers here, you see that the volume here is smaller than both volumes here. So the market may just reverse and then continue downward. So that is what we have for today. I hope you understand what I explained. If you do not understand, you just have to go back and rewatch the video again. I'm sure you have proper understanding of how to use volume and price analysis to understand the psychology of the markets, to know what the insiders, the big banks, what they are doing or what they are going to do in the future, and then you get yourself prepared to take advantage of those opportunities. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have a question, leave a comment in the comment section. If you need to share this video to someone else, please do share it on your social media platforms, and then subscribe to my channel with the notification bell so that you can get notified when I make new videos. So thank you for having me. Bye bye.